guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing the gallon of slime challenge. So, I have this bucket that I'm going to make my gallon of slime in, because if I filled this up with slime and I weighed it on a scale, it would probably be like a pound, like a few pounds or so, depending on what kind of slime I make. But yeah, so I have with this bucket. I'm going to make the gallon of slime in. And I'm not making fluffy slime. I'm going to be making like scoopy, sticky slime. What is it called? Soap slime? Yeah. So behind me I have all the ingredients. So I have this giant spoon. It's like an actual spoon, but it's like super size. I'm going to use it to mix. So this is like a giant spoon. Yeah. And then, of course, I have some paper towels because this is probably going to get pretty messy. And if you're using, if you're making a gallon of fluffy slime, I recommend you wear, clothes that you don't mind getting, messy. Because, sometimes I watched Karina Garcia's video, and it got, all over her shirt, and she did a collab with Cole and Skeet. So, yeah. So, let's go into the ingredients. So, I have clear hand soap in this giant jug. I have Bath & Body Works' Creamy Luxe hand soap, and this is peach flavored. And then I also have some Modern's Professional Naturalizing Shampoo. New look, same grape formula. And then I also have some salt that you guys know I always use salt. And then, what is that? Okay. But, and then this, I have some baking soda. So, let's get on to making a gallon of slime. How fun is that? More than fun. Okay, so the first ingredient, move the giant spoon out the way. First ingredient that I need is the clear hand soap. This is like a jug of it. This is practically a gallon of clear hand soap, kind of like a gallon of slime. One time I actually made a gallon of slime in the same bucket, same recipe, just to test it out, and I actually ended up throwing it in my bathtub and filled up the rest of the tub with water, and I took a bath in it. Yeah. So here's the clear hand soap. Oh, I don't want to spill it. Yeah, but there it is. And then we're going to add in some of this hand soap, the peach Bath & Body Works one. Add some of that in. It will come out. I don't know if it wants to or not, but it has to. This is really pretty. So this is probably the thing I'll give a color. Or not. I don't know. I have these pastel things. And I actually found out that you can use hair chalk as eyeshadow or food coloring or whatever. And that's really good like that. Okay, so I have all the soaps in there. Now we're going to stir it up with our giant spoon. Whoa, it's already getting thick. Well, the hand soap is pretty thick. So yeah. Now we're going to add in some of the shampoo. It's all in. Okay. It's not even coming out. Oh my god. Come out. I might use the other one of the shampoo that we have. Oh, now it's coming out. It's all at the bottom. Jesus. Okay. Why won't this come out? Come on. Oh, I saw a tiny bit of it come out. Oh, jeez. Come out. it's glittery from this. It's like really shimmery in there. I did not see that. It's like clear and shimmery. I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I might use a different shampoo because this is refusing to come out. Literally. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is refusing to come out. I have another one of this, but it's like bigger, so I'm gonna go get that. Okay, so instead of using this, I'm using this, and this is like bigger, and I suppose this is like fuller. Okay. Are you gonna come out, or are you gonna be like the other one? Are you kidding me? Hold on. Come out. Oh, I saw like little drizzle of it. Okay. Shampoo sucks. Oh! I have a shampoo that I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go get a shampoo that I know where someone is. Okay guys, so I guess we're using conditioner instead. That just spilled all over me. Okay. Using some conditioner. Ooh. That's chunky instead. Okay, so it like whitened up the color, but it's still really, that is so shimmery. Okay, now we're going to add in some of the salt. No, actually, salt is last. We need baking soda now. I should have bought like another spoon. I'll just do it from my hand. So I get the baking soda. You actually do not even need that much baking soda at all. It's just to like make it better, a little better. So like drop a cube in. I kind of like eyeball it when it comes to baking soda with my slime. Kind of just eyeball it. Trying to break this chunk that I see. Okay, broke it in half. Come on. This looks really, really good. Like, really good. Okay, for some reason, this the baking soda, there was like a giant chunk in there and it does not want to dissolve, so I have to add in more clear hand soap, I guess so. Okay. Oh, jeez. Bubbles. I love bubbles. Okay. There's another tiny little bubble flying around. It's over there now by my charger. Rest in peace. Oh my goodness, this little bubble is so annoying. Awesome. Clear, shimmery, good smelling gallon of slime. Now let's add in salt. I also eyeball it. This is practically how much salt you need. Since it's a gallon, that's how much you need. So pinch, stir. And for some reason, I guess we have to put this gallon of slime in my freezer. In the freezer. Just because it's a soap slime, we have to put it in the freezer. Whoa. It is slimy. Okay, let's add in a little bit more of this stuff. This is really, really coming together more than I thought. I swear. Let's add more of this, because this is like really good. I'm about to drop this inside the slime. Okay. Come on. Come on, come out. Don't be like the shampoo. Okay, there we go. Get the excess stir that up because that is really good. No more baking soda because it's kind of like ruins the slime if you add in too much. Let's add a little bit more salt. And I have a feeling that will be it for the salt. And we're going to put this in the freezer. Hi, Matthew.
Hi. Okay, guys, it's been a while. I put all the ingredients back, and I let this sit in the freezer for like 5 minutes in the fridge because I didn't want it to be like really super cold. But it's like really like plumping up, like soapy slime should. And there's a bunch of baking soda on my giant spoon. And I have paper towels because I know this is going to get pretty messy. I just teared it in half, so I can lay this spoon on something. Now it's time to go in with our hands with the giant slime. It's going to be so cold. It's kind of cold, but it's really good. It's so jiggly. Guys, you do not even know. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. What is this? What the heck? What is that? Why is it in the slime? Okay. Look at it. Guys, let me give you a close-up. Okay, look at it. Look how awesome. It feels so good. And it is like silver, actually, almost. It's like a shiny, pretty silver color. And it like pokes really well. And I don't even care if it's sticky. It's just really, like, it feels super good. So, making a gallon of slime is actually, like, awesome. Because this slime is so good. So good. Guys, I really recommend doing it. And you don't have to do the same exact slime I made. You can make fluffy slime, butter slime. It's practically making the slime that you always make daily, or like how many times you make slime in your life. It's like practically on a daily basis how you make slime, but like just more of it. Like 1 gallon. I never made a gallon of slime before. Well, I made it like once. Well, that was just a testing for this video. It was slime on my leg. Okay. Guys, I'm just really having fun here. Don't judge me. I'm having fun. Okay. I have to clean up my hands now. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video of me making a gallon of slime. And comment down below if you like slime. And would you rather make a gallon of fluffy slime or a gallon of butter slime? I'd rather make a gallon of fluffy slime. Comment down below. And for this video, I have a new outro. And I'm going to make a new intro like in another video. Actually, probably in this video. But I have a new outro. So I'm going to be doing that. Yeah. In this video. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye! And stay tuned for the ending to see my new outro. And comment down below if you like that outro. Sub to see my other videos.